Top stress relief techniques that you can practice anywhere. Breathing exercises. Practicing breathing techniques helps in relaxing your body and mind. Slow and deep breathing exercises such as sectional or alternate nostril breathing are highly effective. You can also practice simple techniques such as breathe in deeply and slowly via your nose. Hold the breath briefly, then release it slowly through your mouth. One can mitigate the effects of stress on the neurological system by inducing the body's relaxation response through steady, purposeful breathing. Mindfulness practices. A powerful technique for managing stress is mindfulness, paying close attention to the current moment and observing it without passing judgment. People who regularly engage in mindful practices such as meditation or mindful breathing can help you develop more resilience and clarity in your responses to stressors as opposed to impulsive reactions. Exercise and movements. Regular exercise and physical activities such as walking, cycling, jogging, yoga, or dancing help in releasing endorphins, a natural mood balancer that lowers stress hormones such as cortisol. Frequent exercise has psychological and physical advantages and is one of the easiest methods for stress management. Additionally, exercise improves mood, encourages better sleep, and raises self-esteem, all of which help people feel better about themselves and be more resilient in the face of stress. Progressive focused muscle relaxation. This is effective in reducing tension and stress. This instant relaxation technique involves tensing and releasing each muscle group with awareness and one group at a time. One may create a profound state of relaxation by doing this conscious exercise involving your mind, and this helps to de-stress and calm down the mind too. The muscle groups are tensed briefly and then purposefully release the state of contraction. As one continues this practice of tension and relaxation, one can identify the soreness of the muscles, tender spots, and stress areas. Be with nature. Establish a connection with nature by spending time outdoors, indulging in outdoor games, walking in the open, sunbathing, etc. The Japanese ritual known as Shinrin-yoku or forest bathing is an example of mindful practice that involves being in the forest and actively interacting with it. There are several advantages of spending time in woods or other natural settings when it comes to lowering stress levels. The nervous system is calmed by the sights, sounds, and smells of the forest, which lowers cortisol levels and encourages relaxation. Journaling. Journaling has gained so much importance in counseling and emotional health. Simply jot down your ideas and emotions in a written diary. It is a powerful and straightforward technique to improve our mental well-being. This can assist you in gaining perspective, managing your feelings, and solving issues. Music meditation. Music meditation is an effective method to manage stress. It is a beautiful combination of mindfulness that comes from meditation and the therapeutic effects of sound healing. You can develop a feeling of relaxation by doing mindful exercises like deep breathing and body scanning while listening to relaxing music. Limit screen time. We are constantly getting exposed to the digital world now, and establishing boundaries on how much time we indulge in screen time is important while we try to manage our day-to-day stress. Spending extended hours in the digital world, especially on social media, can accelerate stress and anxiety even more. Indulging in hobbies. Taking up a hobby is a great way to reduce stress and enhance general well-being. Hobbies give people a much-needed respite from the rigors of everyday life by enabling them to fully engage in pursuits they find enjoyable and satisfying. Hobbies such as painting, gardening, and playing an instrument provide an avenue for self-expression and relaxation. Chanting. Chanting, found in different spiritual and cultural traditions, is an effective way to reduce stress and foster inner peace. Chanting is rhythmic and requires